This is the story of the first light that a butterfly ever saw. Once upon a time, there was a butterfly who lived in a dark, dark cave. It was a cozy cave with soft walls and a warm bed of leaves. And the butterfly was very happy there. It didn't mind that it was dark because it had never seen any light. So it wasn't sure what it was missing. One day, the butterfly met an old, wise spider who had spun a web outside the cave. First, the butterfly couldn't see anything. It felt scared and a little bit dizzy. But the spider said, "Don't be afraid. Open your eyes a little more." The butterfly took a deep breath and opened its eyes as much as it could. And that made it happy again. And then it saw it, a bright, beautiful yellow light. "Oh my," said the butterfly. "It's so pretty. I've never seen anything like this before. It's so bright." And the butterfly flew into the light. The spider had 8 eyes, and each eye was like a shiny black bead. "Mr. Spider, Mr. Spider," said the butterfly, "why do you have 8 eyes when I have only 2? Are your eyes magical?" It flew from one flower to another, sipping sweet flower juice. It was the happiest butterfly in the whole wide world. "These eyes," said the spider, "are for seeing the light, my dear butterfly. If you want to see the light, you must leave this cave and come with me." The butterfly thought for a moment. "But I've never seen any light. So how will I know when I see it? And what if it's bright and hurts my eyes?" "Don't worry, my dear butterfly," said the spider. "You won't be hurt. Come with me." So the butterfly and the spider went out of the cave. When it flew into the light, it saw the most amazing thing. All around it, there were flowers of all colors, red and yellow and blue and purple. There were tall trees with green leaves and a big wide sky with fluffy white clouds. The butterfly had never seen anything like this. All its life, it had only seen the inside of the cave. And now it was seeing the outside world for the first time. It was so beautiful. The butterfly spent the whole day flying around, looking at all the beautiful colors. It flew up high and then down low. It flew fast and then slow. And from that day on, whenever the butterfly felt sad or bored or lonely, all it had to do was to fly up to the sky or dive down to the flowers and remember the first light that it had seen. The end.